Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you how to create, edit and print the offline paper in the organization panel of MyConceptBooster. So let's get into this. You can see the option offline paper over here. Click on that. So when you open it, you can see the offline papers that are created already. So you can see the option create offline paper over here. Just click on it to create a paper. So fill all the details that is necessary. So let's give the date for the examination. Suppose it's 21st. Examination would be chapter test. Class would be 12th class and the duration would be around 1 hour. Total marks will be 30 maybe. So question types are MCQs, the multiple choice questions. So about examination, this test defines your ability in the chapter eclipse. Sorry, that's ellipse. So give the section details, like it will be MCQs and number of questions in that, maybe. So it's 30 marks test, right? So maybe 30 questions and each carry 1 mark, that would be 30. So once you're done, or if you want another section, you can add it over here. Yeah, let's do this then. So it's 15. So each 1 mark, so that's 15. And let's add another section, maybe fill in the blanks. That's 15 and 1 mark each would be 15. So that's total 30 marks, right? Let's click submit. Then the offline paper will get created. So once we have created the offline paper, you can see the test over here for 12th class, and you can see the action button over here. If you want to edit any of the options in the test, you can just click that and you can see the edit paper details over here. Just click on it. That the change would be, if you want to share with others, let's click yes for that. And you see this option is not so helpful, then so let's remove this. No, let's add this. It's 15. Okay, let's click submit once you're done the changes. So the paper is edited successfully. Yes. So once you're done with creating and editing the test or the offline paper, you can click this one and you have to add the questions for the test. So there are 2 options for that: generate questions automatically and also the add questions manually option. Usually add questions manually will be helpful because we can add whichever questions we want. So when you want to add questions manually, it shows all the questions that are available in that particular class. So what we need to do is we need to fill all these details before. So once you're done filling all the details, you need to select the sections whichever you want. Like you have created 2 of them before, the objective types as well as the fill in the blank section. So let's select the first one now and let's click search. Then we can get some of the questions. So yeah, in this search requirement we have got these questions over here. There are total 135 of them, so we can add whichever question we want. So if you want this question, you can just click add this question, and let's see the remaining. So we need to add 15 of them, right? So you can see the question, choose it if you want. That section, this question and this question. So if you want to see how many questions that we have added, you can just view this option, show here. So we added total 11 in for 15 questions we have added only 11, so we need to add 4 more of them. This question and this I think that's sufficient. Yeah, that's 15 of 15. So let's see for section 2 as well. We have selected so let's fill in the blank, search. So once you're done with creating, editing and adding the questions to the test, you can print that page over here. So let's see the view paper option over here. You can see the paper that we have created, the questions. So in that questions, if you don't want these model like one by one, you can see them with the other option called 2 column. So you can see the page divided into 2 halves with the questions that we have added. So in this option also, we can see different sets for these. So there are 4 sets in total. So by default it will be set 1. So if you want to print this page, you can just print it. Let's click this. You can see the PDF that's created with the questions that we have added. So once you're done, you can just save it or you can print it. That's it. The paper will get printed and in our question format. So if you want to see set 2, so let's see the question over here. The options for this is a2 b square, a squared, b squared, 2a squared and 2b squared. So let's click set 2 over here. We can see a squared, b squared, the question at the end, like at the 15th question. So in this way, the questions will get jumbled for each set. So we can see set 3 over here. So the set 3 question is the first one, and whereas for the set 4, the a squared b squared question is at question number 8. So in this way, there are different sets and you can print whichever set you want, and you can see the options for these questions in the option view key or view solution. We can see the procedure procedure for how to solve this question. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.